Hi, welcome to the Olympiad geometry. Let's continue our study on Orthocenter. Before we start, if you think this video is helpful, please click the like button, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Here is a problem. Segment AB equals to BC equals to CD. Circle O is tangent to AB, BC, CD on point E, F, G respectively. AC meets BD on P. Prove that POF are collinear. So if we just look at the figure, we want to prove that POF are collinear. We already know that OF is perpendicular with BC, right? So if we can prove that PF is perpendicular with BC or PO is perpendicular with BC, we can say that POF are collinear. So that means we just find the breakpoint, right? Breakpoint is to find a way to prove that PO is perpendicular with BC or PF is perpendicular with BC. And for this problem, just look at the figure that we think we should focus on the point O, right? Because we have OE perpendicular with AB and OG perpendicular with DC and OF is perpendicular with BC, right? That's a lot of perpendicular relations according to point O. So O should be the breakpoint. And because AB equals to BC, and we already know that BE equals to BF. So based on these two, we can say that EF is in parallel with AC, right? Because BE to AB equals to BF to BC. That means EF is in parallel with AC. So EF is in parallel with AC, and we already know that BE, BF are the tangent line to the circle O. So BO is perpendicular to EF, right? BO is perpendicular to EF. And EF is in parallel with AC, so we know that BO is perpendicular to AC. Similarly, because CB equals to CD and CF equals to CG, so we know that CD equals to CB, CF equals to CG. So we know that FG is in parallel with BD, right? FG is in parallel with BD. And OC is perpendicular to FG, right? OC is perpendicular to FG. So we know that OC is perpendicular to BD, right? So look at the triangle PBC. In triangle PBC, we have OB perpendicular with AC, which is PC, right? And OC is perpendicular with BD, which is PD. Right, OC is perpendicular with PB. That means O is orthocenter of triangle PBC, right? So we know that PO is perpendicular with BC. And we already know that OF is perpendicular to BC. That means POF are collinear. Okay. So this problem is not difficult. It's just we need to find the breakpoint. And for this particular problem, The breakpoint is also easy to find because we already know that we want to prove POF are collinear and OF is obviously perpendicular with BC. That means we have to find the either PO is perpendicular with BC or PF is perpendicular with BC, right? And since O has so many connections, that the segment are perpendicular to each other, that means we want to focus on O and find all the relations that we can get. And based on the problem set that we find the imparallel lines, and then the problem becomes very straightforward. Okay, that's it. I hope you like this video. See you in next one. Thank you.